My name is Tiling from PSP. I think graffiti is parang male-dominant thing. So, I use tags, like using gay lingo to send the message sa mga tao. Kasi parang I want to be the link for a certain group of minority. As a graffiti artist, I started around 2004-2005 under the influence of a German graffiti artist named Astro. He taught me the basics of graffiti. Graffiti is concentrated more on spray cans at saka calligraphy. Pero when it comes to street art, kasama dyan yung stickers, wheat paste posters, at saka lahat ng mga ibang mediums na ginagamit ng artists like paints, paint brushes. So hindi lang limited sa tagging, yung tagging mga names ng mga graffiti artists. Kasama din dun yung mga characters na ginagawa ng each artist to symbolize yung sarili nila, parang alternate persona. Filipinos take it to themselves. Parang kuning wrong with the system, with the government. Parang they take it, use it as their own voice, as a medium. Yung parang they want to change the system through art. Yung street art ngayon sa Philippines, I would say nag-grow siya talaga. Parang very drastic yung growth niya. Before, konti lang yung nakaka-appreciate. Pero ngayon, mas widely accepted na siya. Kino-consider na siya as contemporary art forms ngayon. Given a few years more, lalaki pa yung influence ng street art. Marami pa rin kailangan gawin na motivate kami sa mga tao na nakakita ng artworks namin, tapos they appreciate it, they like it a lot. Maganda yung feeling na nakukuha namin through them. Kaya parang mas lalo kami na-inspire na pagbutihin. If you see one of our works sa street, take your time to stop and look and understand the message that we are giving. Parang amidst kahit traffic, magulo sa street, madumi yung kalye, sana it could uplift your spirits. Parang syempre medyo down nga tayo ngayon. Pero sana makatulong yung mga ginagawa namin for you.